Thank you for joining me for another function video. Today we're going to be looking at LastIndexOf. So we've got a variable name of Joe Unwin-Flow Joe. So it's quite a long string, right? Now we've got Joe twice in here. What if we want to get the last J? Well, then we use LastIndexOf J. So it targets the last character J. Now we're expecting a return value from this, the actual index of the last J. Now, if the first J begins at 0 and the last J ends at 16, then we're going to expect a return value of 16 then. So ultimately, the last index of J from this variable, Joe Unwin-Flow Joe, will be 16. So why would we do this then? Well, we would be able to use this in substring. So say we passed in that long variable of Joe Unwin-Flow Joe, and we passed in the last index of output, which would be 16. It will then start at the last character J, which will be the 16th character, and then return the rest of the string. So if we use the substring on this with that last index output, we would actually be able to scrape out the word Joe from that whole entire string. So we can dynamically target a part of that string from whatever we passed in before. Okay, so let's actually look at this in PowerAutomate. So we have the value Joe Unwin-Flow Joe on the string. We're using the last index of, we're passing through the variable, and then we're passing through the character that we actually want, which in our case is J. And then we're actually going to use the substring to pass in the actual string and then the output of the last index of. So what we're expecting here is to actually have Joe returns. So let's just kick off a test of this flow and run our flow. Okay, so the flow's been run, it's successfully been run, and we can see here that our string has been created, Joe Unwin-Flow Joe. And then we get the last index of, which is 16, so that's the last character of J. And then we actually have the output of Joe. So we've actually been able to use LastIndexOf to grab the last character of J, and that's how to use LastIndexOf in under 3 minutes. That's it from me, FlowJoe. Check out my blog at flowjoe.io for more guides on the Power Platform, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.